and one that will ensure
from the various states of the Niger Delta region of Nigeria. They come in honor of the invitation of the Ijaw National Congress to its program titled All Ijaw Summit.
The point of fact is that
Expectedly, issues concerning the aspirations of the Ijaw nation dominate discussions on the theme, the Nigerian state and the Ijaw question.
What we have in our country today is a unitary system of governance and dressed in the borrowed robes of federalism. Not surprisingly, states and ethnic nationalities are increasingly clamoring for self-determination, or even in outright cases, secession. The ideal situation will be the devolution of powers from the center to the states. While it is my cherished hope that Nigeria will find reasons to coexist peacefully, equitably, and justly, we cannot believe that all is well. Gatherings such as this should actually prepare us for the eventuality.
A country called Nigeria.
The sub-themes are redefining the Nigerian state and the Ijaw people, the imperative of Ijaw quest for self-determination yesterday, today and tomorrow, and reforms in Ijaw national polity, the need for self-introspection. The program ends with a communique.
the Ijaw nation and Ijaw people will no longer depend on the Nigerian state solely for the protection of their environment. To this end, an autochthonous Ijaw environmental protection strategy is evolved so as to leave behind a sustainable land for future generations.
The Ijaw nation takes a stand for self-determination.
We have resolved from this summit to employ and engage all peaceful, diplomatic, and non-violent means and pursuits to actualize our right to self-determination as a distinct people of common historical, linguistic, and cultural affinity and geographical contiguity. The Ijaw people shall stop at nothing to drive, to pursue this target of self-determination until it is achieved.
A common denominator among participants is the leaking wellhead of ITAO's OML 29, the pollution in Nembe, and the cry of the people. Ovieteme George, Arise News.